Welcome back to my morning report charts on Wednesday, the 10th of February, with me, Japan market analyst at Hantec Markets. Moving on to cable, and we've seen this consolidation on cable. Actually, we've seen the nice support coming in 43.50. I talked about that yesterday. Big support area, old breakout level, old pivot level. 21-day moving average, which is now sort of seems to be providing a basis of support, and we've also got the fib level 43.50. So it's a really interesting level that that's holding, and that held to the pip on Monday, and sort of started to build again to the upside. So is this consolidation going to turn into a move higher? I'd concentrate on the fib levels, 43.50 and 45.20. Those seem to be the key sort of levels around yesterday. 45.15 was yesterday's high. Again, 45. 10 today seems to be capping the upside, so I think that's a fib level that the market's looking at. So breakout through that would be a strong level, a strong move, and increasingly become positive again for the move higher. So you've got these momentum indicators. Interesting that we saw that breakout of the downtrend on the RSI, that long downtrend. Got breakout here, but you've seen the sort of move back towards 50, finding a little bit of support on the RSI. So these sort of things still lead me to suggest that the bulls are in control here. Now you've got the hourly chart, which shows pretty well actually. I mean, look at that 43.50 level coming in as a basis of support. Now 44.45 was the breakout from a couple of highs from first and the second on Feb. So breakout above that, moving positive, became a pivot line again. And again, look at this, sort of forming the basis of support. Bit of a pivot level yesterday, and on the 8th, on Monday. And again, it seems to be basis of support. So watch out for that near term. But I think that anything above 43.50 is still going to remain positive. You sort of turn a little bit less positive. Again, if you sort of dip back below 44.50, back towards 43.50, but still, I would be going towards looking at the hourly RSI. That breaks consistently above 60. I think that's a positive move. That would suggest you're sort of building once again to the upside. Hourly MACD lines, if they can stay above neutral as well. All these little things that you can watch on the hourly chart. That breakout above 45.15. If you see a confirmation, I think, of the bulls in control and a move above. Unfortunately, the crosshair doesn't get there. 45.45 is that reaction high on Monday. So, few levels to work with there, but certainly I think the outlook is sort of consolidating now, and maybe even ready to turn positive again. So, just watch out for this. Just in the last few minutes, cables just dipped back again. But as I said, watch out for that nice pivot line around 44.45. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.